Hi, I'm Nikhitha and my topic is exploring Power BI interface. What is Power BI? Power BI is an interactive data visualization software product developed by Microsoft. It is designed to enable users to create reports, dashboards for decision making purpose. Now let's see various interfaces used in Power BI. When you open the Power BI, first you will get a welcome screen like this. Here on the left hand side, you can see the options like getting data, accessing recent files, and in the middle section you have the sign in option, and towards the right hand side you can see few useful links where you can see new features released by the Power BI. For the time being we will not use this screen, so you can close it and go to the Power BI landing page. Now here you have the Power BI canvas in the center of the screen. This is where we build our reports. All charts, graphs we make in Power BI will appear here. In Power BI, the ribbon interface is similar to what you see in any other Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It's a toolbar located at the top of the application window, which has various tabs like Home, Insert, View, Data. Each tab contains various options and commands related to specific tasks such as formatting visuals, managing data connections, or designing reports. Now we will have an overview of what we can do. On the left hand side of the canvas, we have different options to get different views. We have report view, which is our default view, and we have data view where you can see the actual data you used when building those visualization, and we have model view where we can see how our tables are interconnected with one another. And on the right hand side we can see different types of visualization we could use to build our reports. And under the fields tab we can see different data tables we work with. And at the bottom of the canvas we have the option to add new reports to our dashboard. You can simply click on the plus button and add new page. So these are the various interfaces in Power BI which helps in transforming your data into insights and make informed decision making.